Hello Nindi,
Hello, Miss.
how are you today?
Good.
Okay, so now please tell me about the story of Miss Emily Brown.
So on Sunday there was a man wanted to go to another place, and then he forgot something, but he just drove the car leisurely. But when in the middle of the road, the car was suddenly turned off, and then the man was confused what happened to his car, and then and then the man checked on his car, and suddenly he ran out of petrol. So he tried to see a near store that sold the petrol. So when he saw there was a large white house, he thought there was a petrol. So he went there and he tried to ask to the owner of the house. When he went there, he met Miss Emily Brown that it owned of the house. So Miss Emily Brown, so he called Miss Emily Brown and asked for petrol. But Miss Emily Brown thought that he was her boyfriend that gone for 50 years old 50 years. So she said that the man was Mr. Alfred. the man was confused because the man didn't know anything, but suddenly Miss Emily Brown thought that he was her boyfriend. Her boyfriend name is Mr. Alfred. So when Miss Emily Brown saw the man, Miss Emily Brown say, "Hey Alfred, you finally come back." But the man make sure that he wasn't Mr. Alfred. But Miss Emily Brown still say that the man was Mr. Alfred because the man was afraid or scared of Miss Emily Brown, so he ran as fast as he could from the large white house. And then he went to the neighbor house, to the Miss Emily Brown neighbor, to ask for a petrol. And then and then he asked the neighbor what happened to Miss Emily Brown. And then the neighbor said that Miss Emily Brown become peculiar because her boyfriend just left her one day before the wedding. And then the man felt pity. So the man knew that Miss Emily Brown would be broken heart because of Mr. Alfred left her one day before the wedding. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now please tell the moral lessons from the passage.
Okay, so the moral lesson: don't expect anything or anyone. Don't expect that they love you, because we will never know the truth then.
And then another one
I don't know.
about the car.
Don't be too careless. Don't be too careless because we we need to check everything, especially our vehicles.
Okay. All right. Just now you said that don't expect too much from
Yeah, don't
someone.
expect too much from someone. Yeah.
Why?
Because people come and go, and then people go because there will be a reason. Maybe we not good enough for them, or not good enough for them. Yeah.
What was the possible reason that Alfred had to leave Miss Emily Brown one day exactly before the marriage?
Maybe Alfred found another girl that better than Miss Emily Brown, or Alfred have to leave her because of something urgent.
What kind of urgent thing?
Maybe he need to work. He needed to work to another country, or maybe he needed to he needed to go to somewhere because people needed him.
But I think at least that he needed to tell or to inform Miss Emily Brown. But why he didn't do that?
Or maybe because it was very urgent, or maybe he found another girl, so he tried to run away from Miss Emily Brown.
What do you think about that possible reason? The reason that he left Miss Emily Brown because of another girl.
Maybe Miss Emily Brown is not good enough for him, or maybe Alfred thought that the another girl will treat him better than Miss Emily Brown, or another girl have something that Miss Emily Brown didn't have.
How about the thought about Miss Emily Brown? What do you think about her?
Maybe for me, I felt pity for her because she just expect too much from anyone, but suddenly the person go, and then left her, and then maybe she will be maybe she become a broken-hearted girl because of the person that she loved is left her.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I know that you said that just now you said we can't expect too much for someone. But do you think it is possible to expect a person who is going to be our husband in the future?
Maybe for me, sometimes we can expect that they will the husband of in our future love us. Yeah, we can expect like that, but maybe don't expect that they will stay forever with us, because we don't know the truth, or we don't know what did they think.
How about if we think about the love of family from the parents?
Family. Yeah, sure. Because our family, of course, love us, but sometimes there was a family that, broken home, like they separated between mom and dad. I think not because our parents don't love us, but maybe the economy or the situations need them to be separated.
So you mean that we also cannot expect too much, even if it's our parents?
Yeah.
So how should we put our love in a safe way?
So maybe we need to make sure to them that they will not leave us, but the same. But maybe we can put our love safe way to our mother or father. Yeah, if they really in the good situation, or maybe we can put our love into our boyfriend or husband if they still love us or they still think about us. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Please give me 2 questions.
For me, aduh, better you. For you, yeah. If you have a husband, will you trust him?
Well, for me, if it is about love and trust,
Yeah.
of course I will love and trust him. But like,
if have a problem, if you have a problem with him,
well, if let's say you talk about being loved or being trusted, I think that I still need to love him even if, like you said, it is not safe to trust people too much.
Yeah.
But of course, I will not put myself that really, really love him or really,
Yeah.
really trust him. So I still can play in the safe way. But if let's say even if it is not safe, yeah, I will face whatever will be coming later.
Okay, the last question. So for you, what do you think that we
What
put?
do you think?
What do you think if we put too much love or too much expectation to our friends or especially our best friend that we don't know what will happen to them if we fall down or become famous? Yeah.
For me, even if you say that too much love or too much expectation, even for parents, I don't think we need to really put it that much, because as you know, we are human. Everything can go.
Yeah.
Well, everyone can pass away.
Yeah.
So if let's say you want to be not depressed like Miss Emily Brown, it means that you only can hold your love to the God, and then you don't really put your much love to anyone else.
Trust ourselves.
Yes, just trust yourself, and then you have to divide it, your love to yourself and then love to another people. But I don't say that you cannot love your friends or your best friend, because of course you guys have shared everything.
Yeah.
The sadness, the happiness, but just don't
Be
put it
careful.
too much. Yes, you have to be careful still, because like what you said, no one knows about someone's heart.
Yeah. Okay.
Then I
I
think
think that's all from me. Thank you. Yay, Sigma. What letter